Hi, Aryan.
Hi, Joey. How are you?
What can you say about our dorm?
Can I say about?
What can you say?
About whom? About
This
what?
dorm, you know, this fucking dorm.
Ang galing. Okay naman. Ang bandal.
Okay naman ang dorm. Wait. Oh.
Wait. Okay naman itong doon. Marami ng bonbon. Yes,
Oh.
At madumi. Matutuwa ka muna bago ka matapos.
Can you please translate it in, you know, in
Translated in, you know.
Oh my God. Oh, just
Uy, basta.
Hey,
Hey, are you okay? Ano na
Ay, Nick ka. Hey, sa wakas, naligo ka na rin.
Naligo ka na rin.
What can you say about the you know, this,
know.
you know.
Yeah. We know.
Hindi, tangik, sabihin mo kung ano.
Ano?
Sabihin mo kung
Paalis
ano.
na tayo.
Oo, paalis na tayo. Tapos, ano masasabi mo dito?
Ano na kami?
Ano?
Mag-exam naman kami.
Ayun, Day. Mag-ano
Yung
na tayo.
mga case natin, Day.
Day!
Buti pa kayo, Day.
Day! Kiss ko. Love you. Yuck.